Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Rustic Approach. Kind of give you guys an update about what's been going on. Got my slab miser full up right now with a massive walnut island build that I'm doing, 10 foot. And on top of that, in my wood shop, I've got a 12-foot black oak slab that I've been working on. That is going through the cure process right now. So far, we've got 13.5 gallons of epoxy in it. So right now the wood shop's kind of a bust while everything's curing, keeping the dust out. So this weekend I decided to take some time and head over to my buddy's RC's, what we call the strip shed of his tobacco barn that he's remodeled into a pretty cool man cave. It's about 10,000 square feet. And so this weekend we're going to try and work on his strip shed. So this is kind of the entry into his massive barn build. So this weekend we put together some countertops for his wet bar, saloon, kitchen type in this strip shed. If you guys get a chance, please like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's get into it. So you guys ever had that one partner in crime that's like down for basically anything you come up with? Well, that's my boy RC. Partners in crime. So he came to me over the week. And he's like, "You think we can build my bar and my strip shed over the weekend? Think we can get it done?" So he asked me this on a Friday. I'm like, "What are you thinking?" He's like, "What about those 3-inch Hackberry slabs that we milled last year? Think we can get them planed and make countertops?" I'm like, "Absolutely." So RC showed up to the shop. We got the Hackberries in the shop. We got them planed. This is all within probably we took them out of the wood factory. We call our warehouse the wood factory. Took them out of the wood factory. We got them planed down to about 2 3/4 finish. Then we took the Mayfill, ripped them all at about 25 inches wide. And then we took them to the tobacco barn, the strip shed. So our whole build this week basically is a Friday. So we started with the slabs that have been kiln dried. They've been sitting in the wood factory. We got them planed and cut down on Friday. And then on Saturday morning, we carried them into the strip shed and we started making a bar. We did countertops, basically, as you can see. And basically we just brought the freaking wood shop, all the tools, to the tobacco barn and started putting these bars together. So they're just rough sanded right now, but we're just going to put the finish on afterwards. But as you can see, we just put our minds together and put this bar together. So basically this entire build is us just kind of coming together in 3 days and taking this Hackberry and basically building what we think would be cool. Because it's going to hit it, but it's not going to come to this. You see what I'm saying? Push yours against the wall.
Yeah, you're fine.
You like that?
Yeah.
You may go.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
You may take that line?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Okay, here we go.
See, we gotta come back in. You gotta come back into here.
Okay. Is that what you want me to make a straight line that way?
So we gotta have a bottom See, we got to come back into about right here, a straight line to about right here.
To get that. But I'm saying, do you want to take less now, though?
Yeah, just come right here. Yeah.
Like that?
Yep. See, we got to come back in. We got to come way back. We got to come almost to here.
But do you want to make that this way instead of coming out? You see what I'm saying? Because if we keep coming back and going back at that 8,
I mean,
if you keep going back at that angle.
you see, you gotta have something. We gotta have something to plug this hole here.
Yeah, I know. But I'm saying if we come
Yeah, that's fine.
instead, I'm saying instead of going that way,
Yeah, that's fine.
so we can be a little more subtle.
Oh, yeah,
We got more time
yeah,
instead of taking it all at once.
yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, but you have to come, yeah, so that the bottom of the blade, yeah.
Oh man, we're so close.
That'll work because we don't have, you can round this down, okay? So we can,
Take that. Just take that off right there,
yeah, I would think.
and then I can round that.
Yeah.
No, I'm on TV.
Oh,
Crazy how strong it is. Look at that. That's pretty good, Doc.
yeah. Yeah, you get this off a little bit right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be perfect. That thing cut that much? Just sand it.
Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Look at that way. Does it look like the angle we were looking for?
Oh hell yeah!
It looks
Yeah.
a lot better, doesn't it?
Oh yeah!
Look better than what we drew.
Yeah.
What we drew, I'm glad you reversed it because that looks a lot better.
Yeah. You straighten this up a little bit, take a little bit off the bottom here, and then we'll come around here, and that'll be good.
All right, so give me a mark for what you want me to do. So you want me to take some off and go back down?
Yeah, just straight. See how this one is much more straight
Okay.
than that one, and then we'll cut this out around.
What do you think about me doing the saw?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. If you put down a little bit here, and that's good.
Pretty close, ain't it?
Yeah.
So what do you want me to do right here?
Just round this a little bit so it's not. Just take this knob off. Just take that off right there.
So I guess to kind of give you guys a little deep dive into what Rustic Approach does. So we mill our own wood, and then we kiln dry it, and we sell lumber. We are actually the largest live edge supplier in Kentucky, and we also do dimensional lumber. So really, we're a custom shop because we mill a lot of quarter sawn, white oak, We have cherry. We have some of the largest slabs that you can buy of walnut. But apart from just the lumber and the custom shop, we obviously do countertops a lot. But RC and I basically put our heads together on a lot of different projects, and we try to problem solve. So I take care of a lot of builders. We do a lot of manels. So we float all of our manels for a couple of our builders that we have now. We do a lot of 4/4 for trim guys to wrap their beams in a lot of the houses. We do islands, kind of like I was talking about the builds that I have going on right now. I have a walnut island that is 5 foot by 10 foot, 2 inches thick. So I do a whole lot of islands for my builders and, you know, personal homeowners. But more than anything, we problem solve. So not only am I milling lumber, kiln drying it, and selling lumber, we're building for homeowners and builders. So we have a lot to offer. And I guess what I'm trying to say is that we use all of our own lumber for all of our custom builds. So I'm constantly doing massive dining tables. We do coffee tables, end tables. I have the big black oak bar that I'm doing right now. Is 12 foot by 60 inches wide, and it's going to be a waterfall bar. And then obviously like this barn build I did with RC. We do a lot of different things, but I guess the coolest part is that we pretty much problem solve about anything out there and are willing to. Just got to give us a chance to give you a quote, hit us up with a message, and we can go from there. Anything you guys need, from lumber to millwork, and then to your custom builds. If you guys get a chance, like and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks for watching, guys.